everyone. Thank you for joining me. My name is Miss Margaret. I work at the Southdale Library with Hennepin County Library, and I'm so thrilled to have you here with me for baby story time. Thank you for spending your time with me. I always like to start my story times with a song, and as a warm-up song, I'm going to sing Clap Tap Bend for you. It goes like this. I take my little hands and go clap, clap, clap. I take my little hands and go clap, clap, clap. I take my little hands and go clap, 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 clap all day long. Can you do that with me? I take my little hands and go clap, clap, clap. I take my little hands and go clap, clap, clap. I take my little hands and go clap, 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 clap all day long. Let's tap our shoulders. I take my little shoulders and tap, tap, tap. I take my little shoulders and tap, tap, tap. I take my little shoulders and tap, 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 tap all day long. Lift our arms up high. I take my little arms and I lift up high. I take my little arms and I lift up high. I take my little arms and I lift up high. Lift, lift all day long. Very nice. Very, very nice. Welcome to baby story time. All right, now let's read a book. I like books, especially ones that are just pictures. This allows you, caregivers, to point to the pictures, build vocabulary with your children, talk about what's going on, and maybe even predict what's going to happen next. All of those are literacy skills that your children will need to develop when they learn how to read and write later on in school. So, for example, I have this book called Oh by Josie Goffin. There it is, a hand pointing with fingers. What's inside? A dinosaur with a hat and a cup of coffee balanced on its nose. A cup of coffee opens up to become a ship. Big ship. And down here, a fish. Do you see the fish head in the water? A fish blowing bubbles. Becomes a duck with a clothespin on its nose, on its beak. What do you think will be next? Did you guess clothespin? There it is. And it can become a fish swimming after an apple. What do you think will be on the next page? Did you guess apple? There it is, an apple. It opens up to a clown with a net chasing a shoe. A shoe. A dinosaur. And the moon. The moon opens up to a snake. And a ping pong paddle with a ball. Or sometimes people call it table tennis. There, opens, airplane with a pipe. Not good for you, airplane. A pipe. What do you think that will open up to? A kitten brushing her teeth. Do kittens brush teeth with a toothbrush? Do you brush your teeth? I hope you use a toothbrush. And there's that toothbrush with a glass of water. It becomes an elephant with its trunk do you think can be in that box? Other than the trunk of an elephant. A jack-in-the-box. A cart, a dog, a horse, and a flower. What do you think will come next? Our flower, you were right. And it opens up to our dinosaur with the hat. But this time, the hat is on its tail. Oh, lots of possibilities by Josie Goffin. Very nice, very nice. And reading, building vocabulary is an important part of interacting with your children. So is singing, playing, talking, reading, writing, all of those 5 best practices. Here's a song that I'd like you to sing with me. It's called Hands Up High. So we use our hands and we're going to wave them way up high. First we wave our hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. First we wave our hands up high, then we clap them. Then we wave our hands down low, hands down low, hands down low. Then we wave our hands down low, then we hide them. Can you do it? First we wave our hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. First we wave our hands up high, then we clap them. Then we wave our hands down low, hands down low, hands down low. Then we wave our hands down low, then we hide them. Let's sing it one more time, this time using our voice to indicate high and low. The different pitches and tones in our voice indicates meaning in our vocabulary in our language. And as children learn to differentiate high and low, it will help them later on distinguish and determine that meaning. Let's give it a try. First we wave our hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. First we wave our hands up high, then we clap them. Then we wave our hands down low, hands down low, hands down low. Then we wave our hands down low, then we hide them. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice. And even if you don't feel comfortable singing in those high and low pitches, just singing itself is a good skill to teach your children. So, here's another one that you can sing if you don't want to do the high and low. And this is called Shake and Stop. Again, I'm going to use my hands. This time I'm going to shake them. And I'm going to shake them. And then I'm going to stop. It's a song that invites listening, anticipation, and a little bit of self-control. So, let's shake. We shake and we shake and we stop. We shake and we shake and we stop. We shake and we shake and we shake and we shake. We shake and we shake and we stop. Can you do it with me? We shake and we shake and we stop. We shake and we shake and we stop. We shake and we shake and we shake and we shake. We shake and we shake and we stop. Very nice. We can wave them. We wave and we wave and we stop. We wave and we wave and we stop. We wave and we wave and we wave and we wave. We wave and we wave and we stop. We roll and we roll and we stop. We roll and we roll and we stop. We roll and we roll and we roll and we roll. We roll and we roll and we stop. We clap and we clap and we stop. We clap and we clap and we stop. We clap and we clap and we clap and we clap. We clap and we clap and we stop. We shake and we shake and we stop. We shake and we shake and we stop. We shake and we shake and we shake and we shake. We shake and we shake and we stop. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice. Singing, as I said earlier, is one of our 5 best practices. So please sing, read, write, talk, play with your children, interact in a positive way. All of those are developing literacy skills that your children will need later on. And if you want more resources, you can find them on our website, hclib.org, along with ebooks and audiobooks that you can download and other tips and tricks for all of you caregivers. So please visit our website. More story times are on our Facebook pages, so come tune in for Facebook story time with times and dates. Would love to have you join me and all my colleagues again and again. And before I leave and I say thank you all for coming, I'm going to teach you one last song. This is called The More We Get Together. And for those of you who like sign language, it's pretty simple to do, or you can give it a try. Taking your fingers and your thumb together, we tap them for the word more. If I put my thumbs up and my knuckles together, I go around in a circle. This is together. Happy starts at my right and I brush upwards. Will be starts at the face, although I don't want to touch my face in these times, so I'm just nearby. And I bring it forward. Will be. Your is like you, all of you. And friends, I take my pointer fingers and I tap them back and forth, such as this. And my, me, myself, I indicate this way. So we will sing The More We Get Together. I hope that you know the words. Please sing along with me. If you want to sign, you certainly can do so. If not, please join me in song. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. And thank you all for being here together with me on this wonderful afternoon. Have a great, great time and enjoy yourself, enjoy your children, and we'll see you next time. Bye.